Hello, my name is Luke Safner, class of 2021, and I work for the Gates Corporation as a data scientist. I originally chose UCLA Anderson for my MBA to do two things. One, to build a network within a school with a fabulous reputation. And number two was to explore different global opportunities from a career perspective. UCLA Anderson definitely allowed me to do both. I originally chose GAP for my field study because I wanted to do two things. One, I wanted to learn how to manage a client-firm relationship. And number two, I wanted to learn how to structure a consulting problem. During GAP, I was able to learn how to structure a very complex market entry problem and also deal with international clients all the way in Finland. So having just completed GAP, I am extremely excited to take forward my learnings into my career. There are two learnings I'm definitely going to take forward. One is managing the firm-client relationship, which can be very complex, and I think it's good for any person to understand. Number two is how to deal with people within high finance and what motivates them, which I also believe is a very important skill for most MBAs to have. So I'm honored to have been selected by the faculty as a voice of FEMBA for GAP. I hope my story encourages you to do three things. Number one is to define a career path and what your career goals are. Number two is to granularize that into a set of tools that you will need in order to be successful. And number three is to take action today to start to develop those tools. I firmly believe for most, FEMBA and GAP would be an unbelievable tool to have in the toolbox. And I hope you consider the program.